subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can wire this washing machine motor with this speed controller, emergency stop and on off button. We need to use a plug with 3 cables, blue, brown and yellow. We need to use this extension of cables. I make it for easy wiring. And this yellow green cable. This is all what we need. The first thing what we need to do, we need to start wiring from the plug. It's the best easy way to wiring is when we start from the plug, because we can follow the wire. Okay, let's start it. So first, what we need to do, first we need to connect an on-off switch. We need to put this free wire from the plug in these 3 terminals in switch. So now here we connect a plug in on-off switch. Other side, we need to use this cable. This cable is with 3 wire. It's the same like the plug cable. Now what we need to do is follow the cover, and we need to make the same wiring like this side. So here we need to put a yellow green, in the center we need to put a brown, and on this side we need to put a blue one. Let's start it. Yellow to yellow, brown to brown, and blue to blue. So next step is emergency stop button. Let me explain about emergency stop button. So now we have emergency stop button, but we need to use only one side because this switch is with two sides. Let me see what's inside. When you push a button, you can see inside the contactor is touching, and so this is not emergency stopping, this is emergency starting. The brown side, when we push a button, and you will occur the contact, so we need to connect a wire here on the brown side. But first, I want to test. So now it's going out in here. Here we can see is connected. When you push an emergency stop button, you will stop. So we need to use this way. Now let's restart it. So we have a plug, on-off switch is already connected, and now this is a grounding. This wire is for grounding. So what I need to do, we need to stop one from these two wire. I will stop a brown wire. Here. Because I will connect this brown wire here in emergency stop button. I will connect the brown wire from a switch to emergency stop button. Now it's okay. Another side. So now we have on-off switch and emergency stop button. When you push the emergency stop button, you will stop a machine. Here we have a cheap Chinese speed controller, and I will show you how you can wiring. Here, this way of the display, you can find many videos how you can wire washing machine motors. So don't forget to check it. Now I will start to connect a speed controller. We can see a weird diagram. So yellow is for grounding. Blue go of the back side of the motor. We can see here back side of the motor. This is a speed measure white cable. It's not for using of this motor. So next one, a green cable, green and red. Green and red will connect of the motor. So let's starting and you can see how you can. But first we need to connect all this cable, plug, on off switch and emergency stop button here to speed controller. In FG I will connect a yellow cable. Here to AC I will connect a cable from brown cable from emergency stop button and blue cable from a switch. Now we have a connected plug, on off switch, emergency stop button and speed controller. Next step is connect the speed controller cables to a motor. So first we need to follow a cable of the washing machine. These two cables here go to the back side of the motor. So this is a tachometer. This measure RPM of the motor. Next one. We have green cable and blue cable here. Green and blue cable. We have a green and blue cable here and we need to follow them. So the green cable go to the first brush and blue cable go to other side of this brush. Okay? And here we have a gray and black cable. These go in the coil. These cables go in the coil. So now we know how we can connect it. Let me tell you. I have a socket from this washing machine motor and I will use them. We need to connect. And now we need to follow the wires. Let me leave this for a end. Now, this is a most important step. We need to get one cable from the coil and one cable from the brush need to be connected together. Will be connected together. Now, here we have a coil, one coil and one brush and connected together. Okay, let me leave this cable here. And now, white cable, I will leave it together. This blue cable need to go on the back side of the motor. So we have a red cables and this red cable need to go to the blue cables. Now we connect a tachometer to the speed controller. Next step is green and red cable. So here we have one brush and one of the coil. I will connect one of the cable with a green and I will connect the next cable to the red. And for your safety, we need to use this yellow cable. We need to connect it to this yellow green cable. This is for grounding. When you touch motor, will be safety for touching. And this side, I will put these terminals. This terminal. Now we have a connected washing machine motor with speed controller, emergency stop button, and on-off switch to plug. Let me improvise a quick box for this stuff here. I will use this box. Now let's check it. We need to start on-off switch. We need to start our RPM controller, and we need to you can see if something wrong, you can push a button and this will stop. When something wrong, you can push an emergency stop button and everything stop. So guys, here we have the speed controller from 0 to the max, to the maximum of the motor, 12,000 RPMs.
there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you and for your workshop. Don't forget share, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my future projects. Thank you very much.